Sensibility and practicality define the 2012 GMC Yukon XL 1500. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 400 horsepower, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, blind spot sensor, adjustable pedals, a trailer hitch, and one-touch window functionality. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. State-of-the-art amenities such as memory seats and adjustable pedals yield a more personal driving experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.